on the dimensions that you calculate. So for instance, let's just do some analyzing. Let's do a distance. Let's go from an endpoint, and we'll just check the distance, say from the corner of the surface, say to the point at the bottom of the part. So let's check the dimensions here, 0.60907. So let's go ahead and do that. 0.60907. And we moved it up now to the actual bottom of the part. So there's a lot of, there's a lot of simple modeling, the things that you're going to probably want to do. And this is a simple part, I know, but if you get more complex parts, you may want to add surfaces here and there, or curve geometry, etc. So we basically covered some basic editing, some querying as far as analyzing. If you guys got any questions about basic functions in VisualCAD, go ahead.
So Don, there was a question about, if you wanted to cap